Hi, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go over your NetForce self-grading worksheet. So again, when you click Make a Copy, it will create a copy of this. Up here, you're going to click here and change and add your name. Again, if you do not do that, you're losing simple points. So here, you're going to read the directions so that you know what you're doing. So it tells you right here, you're going to look at your diagram and you're going to determine the net force acting on the object. So this tells you to remind you, if you don't know how to calculate net force, this tells you how to do it. You add forces when they're in the same direction. You subtract forces when they're opposite directions. The object goes in the direction of the greater force. Forces are balanced when the net force equals 0. They are unbalanced if it does not equal 0. So we'll do the first one. So here you see your free body diagram, and there's only one force, which is actually a pulling force of 225 newtons. Again, magnitude. That is 225 newtons. Then here you have to say the direction. Well, that's going to the right. And then here you're going to say it's unbalanced. Okay. So it's only asking you for magnitude, which means it's just a value. Since all of these are newtons, you do not have to add the newtons. So again, when it is correct, the entire line will change colors. This is a total of 20 problems. I already did one of them for you. You will do the rest. Again, this is an assignment in which if you do not have all of these changing color, then there is something wrong with your problem or your answer, so therefore you need to figure out what is wrong. If you cannot, then that means you should ask questions so that when you take your quiz on Friday, you will do well because you now know how to calculate net force. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Again, in order to submit this assignment, you will click Share in the top right-hand corner. The dialog box will pop up. You click here in order for it to say anyone with the link. You copy the link, and then when you go to Schoology, you will submit it. When you click Submit, you'll click where it says Create, and then you paste the link there and then hit Submit. That is the easiest way to submit any Google assignment. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions.